In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect custom domain to Vercel. In order to do that, you first need to head over to vercel.com and then into this page, proceed to click onto this sign up option. Now, from in there, you can also sign up or create an account while also creating a project. You can do so by clicking onto this start deploying. Now, if you already have an account, just proceed to log in. Now, here is what my dashboard looks like. I already have my team and I also have my project. Now to connect your custom domain, just enter right here the actual project that you wish to open. I have in here this Vite React. Then click onto this domains right here. Alternatively, you can also just click on settings, then click on domains and you can find the same thing. Now in order to connect a custom domain, you can either buy a new one or add a new domain. In my case, let's proceed to click on buy. Input right here the domain or keywords that you want to use. For example, let's input right here a tutorial. Here we have the results and you can see if those are available or not available. So we have these options right here. So just choose which one you want to use. So on my case, I'll head over and then choose right here this tutorial.by. Click onto the cart icon just beside that. Now from in there, this will actually prompt you to head over and then connect and buy this particular domain that you have. You can click onto the cart. From in there, head over and click onto this proceed to checkout. Then input right here your billing information as well as your payment method depending on your country and you should be able to buy this domain and then connect it customized for your account. You can see right here, you can actually auto renew them if you want. Just click on this buy once you're done. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.